Hello everyone and welcome to our video on Don't Wait, Seize Your Success Now. In today's fast-paced world, it's essential to have a mindset of seizing opportunities and not waiting for success to come knocking on our doors. In this video, we'll share practical tips and strategies to help you take charge of your success and make the most of your potential. So let's get started. Chapter 1, The Trap of Waiting for Success. At some point in our lives, we have all fallen into the trap of waiting for success to come to us. We wait for the perfect job, the right timing, or for someone to give us the chance we've been waiting for. But the reality is, success doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who are willing to take action and create opportunities for themselves. Think about it. How often have you let opportunities slip away because you were waiting for the perfect moment? The truth is, there will never be a perfect moment. The time is now, and it's up to us to seize it. Don't let the fear of failure or the need for perfection hold you back from taking action towards your goals. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, the second best time is now. Chapter 2. Make a plan and set goals. The first step towards seizing your success is to make a plan and set goals. Without a plan, we are just shooting in the dark and hoping for the best. Take the time to sit down and think about your long-term vision and what you want to achieve. Then break it down into smaller, achievable goals. This will give you a clear direction and something specific to work towards. Plus, having a plan and setting goals will also help you measure your progress and make necessary adjustments along the way. Also, make sure your goals are SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. This will make them more realistic and actionable. And remember, it's okay to start small and build upon your goals as you go. Chapter 3, Overcome Procrastination. One of the biggest obstacles to seizing success is procrastination. We often put things off, thinking we will have more time in the future. But the truth is, the more we delay, the more likely we are to lose motivation and momentum towards our goals. To overcome procrastination, try breaking your tasks into smaller chunks and set deadlines for each. This will make them more manageable and less daunting. Also, try to eliminate distractions and focus on one task at a time. And finally, reward yourself for completing tasks and meeting deadlines. This will give you a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to keep going. Chapter 4. Take action and accept failure. Now that you have a plan and have overcome procrastination, it's time to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment or until everything is perfect. Start taking small steps towards your goals every day. And remember, progress is better than perfection. Along the way, you may face failure or setbacks, but don't let them discourage you. Instead, see them as learning opportunities and use them to fuel your motivation to keep pushing forward. Remember, failure is a stepping stone to success, and every successful person has faced failure at some point in their journey. Chapter 5. Surround yourself with positive influence. They say you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This means that the people you surround yourself with can greatly influence your mindset and actions towards your goals. So make sure you surround yourself with positive, motivated individuals who support and encourage you to seize your success. Avoid negative influences that bring you down or discourage you from taking action. Remember, you are in control of who you let into your life. Chapter 6. Continuously learn and improve. Success is not a one-time event, it's a continuous journey. To seize your success, you must continuously learn and improve yourself. Read books, attend seminars or workshops, take courses, and surround yourself with people who have achieved what you want to achieve. Constantly seek new knowledge and skills that will help you grow and become better each day. Remember, the more you learn, the more you have to offer, and the more valuable you become. Chapter 7. Stay motivated and persistent. In the pursuit of success, there will be times when you feel demotivated or want to give up. But remember, success is not for the faint-hearted. It's for those who are persistent and never give up. To stay motivated and persistent, remind yourself of your why. Why are you working towards your goals? What motivates you? Also, celebrate small wins and track your progress to see how far you've come. And finally, surround yourself with positive affirmations and quotes to keep you going. Chapter 8. Embrace change and adaptability. The world is constantly changing, and it's essential to embrace change and be adaptable. Don't get too comfortable with your current level of success. Always look for ways to improve and adapt to new situations. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. This will help you stay ahead of the game and seize new opportunities as they arise. Conclusion. In conclusion, success is not something that comes to us. It's something we must seize. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take action now and make a plan, set goals, overcome procrastination, and surround yourself with positive influences. Remember, failure is a part of the journey, but it's how we learn and grow from it that matters. Stay motivated, continuously learn and improve, and embrace change and adaptability. By following these strategies, you can seize your success and make the most out of your potential. Bonus tips. Here are a few bonus tips to help you on your journey towards success. 1. Be disciplined and consistent in your actions towards your goals. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. Practice gratitude for what you have and what you've achieved. Network and build relationships with like-minded individuals. 5. Don't compare your journey to others. Focus on your own progress. Chapter 9. Thank you and call to action. Thank you for watching our video on Don't Wait, Seize Your Success Now. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Now it's time to take action and start seizing your success. Let us know in the comments which tip resonated with you the most. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more motivational content. Remember, the time for success is now, so don't wait any longer. Seize it! Before we end, we would love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the topic? Do you have any additional tips to share? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thank you once again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you like this video and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update and press the like button. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth.